this video came about for something that I found that I can say Fidelity did me a solid. Well, actually my wife a solid. So I made a video in the past about my personal capital. I personally like personal capital to keep track of my investments. Now, I happen to be looking at my personal capital account, and I noticed under the investments under Fidelity, which is my wife's 401k, that there was an exchange of one of the funds. Now, we used to have the Columbia Large Cap Index for her because it was the cheapest fund in her 401k to use. It was basically an S&P 500 index fund, and it had a pretty low expense ratio of 0.2%, 0.2%. So 20 basis points. Well within the acceptable limit of a 401k. What I noticed was that Fidelity had changed its investments apparently, and it exchanged us into the Fidelity 500 index, which essentially tracks the same exact stocks. They're both S&P 500 indexes. They changed us into ticker symbol FXIAX, the Fidelity 500 index. Now, here's the nice thing. The expense ratio for the Fidelity 500 index is 0.015%. So 0.015%, 1.5 basis points. Anything lower than that is basically free. Now, we didn't ask for them to do this. I just happened to be on my personal capital account and noticed that there was an exchange of the funds, which I thought was strange. Usually my wife, I usually take care of all of this stuff. So when she was setting up her 401k, I was the one that set it up for her because, as I said, that was the cheapest fund. Now, the fact that Fidelity automatically moved us to a less expensive fund, to me, is pretty good. You know, I'm a Vanguard guy through and through, but I have to say Fidelity has some lower cost funds. And this is an example, to me, of Fidelity taking care of its customers without even being asked. To me, that was a great sign. So to Fidelity, I want to thank you for that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, just a really quick video to say that I'm excited about what happened. I'm amazed. Without even being asked, they put us in a lower cost fund to save us some money. So that is a good thing. You know, I'm always harping on keeping fees down. And this is an example of the company taking care of its customers. So thank you, Fidelity. Give me a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button, you guys. We're over 55 subscribers now, and I am super excited about it. So as long as you guys keep watching, I'll keep making content. We'll see you next time. Thanks.